Welcome to House Hunt Daily, your go-to channel for discovering amazing homes for sale across the United States. Let's explore 7 unique properties in Iowa that offer value, charm, and opportunity. Number 1. Pleasantville, Iowa, $100,000. This spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in Pleasantville is full of timeless character and untapped potential. With 1,389 square feet, this story-and-a-half property features gorgeous original woodwork and beautiful hardwood floors that immediately stand out the moment you step inside. The formal dining room adds warmth and charm, making it perfect for gatherings or everyday meals. A main-level bedroom and laundry area offer flexible living options, whether you need convenience or extra space. Sitting on just under half an acre, the outdoor space gives you plenty of room for gardening, relaxing, or future projects. A 1-car detached garage provides additional storage, while the unfinished basement offers even more possibilities. This is one of those homes for sale that's ideal for investors or buyers ready to restore a classic home to its former beauty. Number 2. Keokuk, Iowa, $108,900. Move right into this beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom home in Keokuk, offering 1,331 square feet of updated living space. This 2-story property combines modern upgrades with everyday comfort, making it perfect for buyers looking for convenience and value. The kitchen comes fully equipped with brand new appliances, ready for cooking and entertaining. Recent improvements like a new HVAC system, updated plumbing, and roof repairs add peace of mind for years to come. Enjoy your mornings on the covered front porch or take advantage of the carport for off-street parking. With a full basement and thoughtful updates throughout, this is one of the most move-in ready homes for sale on today's list. Number 3. Kalona, Iowa, $145,000. If you're looking for space and a peaceful setting, this 4-bedroom home near Kalona might be exactly what you need. Built in 1885, this property offers 1,502 square feet of living space, filled with natural light and countryside charm. Set on nearly 1 acre, this home is perfect for a hobby farm, gardening, or simply enjoying the outdoors. Inside, you'll find comfortable living spaces with flexibility for guest rooms, offices, or creative use. The detached garage and additional parking spaces add practicality, while scenic views create a relaxing atmosphere. Among homes for sale in rural Iowa, this one stands out for its blend of history, land, and opportunity. Number 4. Collins, Iowa, $119,900. This remodeled 2-bedroom ranch home in Collins is a perfect example of affordable single-level living done right. With 726 square feet, it offers a cozy yet functional layout packed with modern updates. Step inside to find updated vinyl flooring, a refreshed kitchen with modern appliances, and a comfortable living space centered around a gas fireplace. The bathroom has been upgraded, and recent improvements include new roofing, windows, and siding. Outside, a covered deck provides a great spot for relaxing mornings or quiet evenings. Sitting on a large lot, this home offers extra outdoor space while still being easy to maintain. It's one of those homes for sale that feels move-in ready from day one. Number 5. Washington, Iowa, $140,000. Full of character and classic charm, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home in Washington offers 1,258 square feet of inviting living space. Original hardwood floors and natural woodwork highlight the craftsmanship of a timeless design. The main level includes a welcoming living room, formal dining area, and a bright sunroom overlooking the backyard, perfect for relaxing or enjoying natural light throughout the day. Upstairs, you'll find 2 comfortable bedrooms and a full bath. Outdoor features include a front porch and a spacious patio, ideal for entertaining or unwinding. Located near schools and a hospital, this is one of the most conveniently located homes for sale on the list. Number 6. Union, Iowa, $105,900. With 5 bedrooms and 1,755 square feet, this updated home in Union offers plenty of space for growing households or flexible living arrangements. Recent upgrades include a new roof, updated electrical systems, and modern bathroom improvements. Inside, the remodeled kitchen comes with brand new appliances, while a large laundry room adds everyday convenience. The main level features 1 bedroom and a full bath, while the upper level includes 4 additional bedrooms and a half bath. The rebuilt front porch adds curb appeal and creates a welcoming outdoor space. With ample room and thoughtful updates, this is one of the most spacious homes for sale at an affordable price point. Number 7. Delhi, Iowa, $149,000. Closing out today's list is this charming lakeside retreat in Delhi. With 2 bedrooms and 545 square feet, this home may be compact, but it delivers big on lifestyle. The highlight is the large wraparound deck, perfect for entertaining, grilling, or simply enjoying beautiful lake views. Boating enthusiasts will love the private dock with 2 boat lifts, offering easy access to the water. Inside, the home features a cozy living space with a fireplace, creating a relaxing atmosphere year-round. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a peaceful retreat, this is one of the most unique homes for sale for enjoying lake life. Thanks for watching House Hunt Daily. If you enjoyed exploring these homes for sale, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back for more amazing properties across the U.S.